Hey there, Pyro peeps, Dex here. Another product demo. This one is called Thundering Glory by Pyro Fireworks. It is a 30-shot cake, 500 grammer. Nice and patriotic for sure. Look at that packaging, real nice. Let's take a look at the guns. Boom! There we go. There's our 30 shots. All right, and let's take a look at the performance. There we go, effects. There's a lot of them. Let's see. Essentially, in the short term, it's either purple or green, tails to brocades with strobes, with stars, or strobes, and then a couple of barrages of time rain to big chrysanthemums. So a lot of action, a lot of color, a lot of effects in this cake. Good weight, good size hitters. Another product by Pyro Fireworks. So let's go ahead and check it on out. Thunder Glory. Here we go. Backing up for this. Back out up a little bit, Pyro peeps, trying to catch everything.